Welcome back. Decision on rent-a-car has to be reviewed. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar spoke to media after hearing opposition from North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association. They have demanded that rent-a-car should not be allowed to operate in the state. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo is backing them.
इलिगल रेंट कार जे भाड्याक दिता त्याचं आम्ही सांगला की जर कितें फायल मूव जाल्या कितें जाल्या ती फाटी दवरात म्हणून आणि ती कॅन्सील करात ह्याच्या फुडें ते गाडयो रस्त्यार चलचे ना कित्याक तेतून आमचो गोंयकारांचो जे 10,000 टॅक्सीवाले आहात आपले पोट भरतात तो धंदो काबार जातलो. आमी मागता की जो ट्युरिजम गोंया येता तो कमी जाल्लो आहा आनी ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी आहा ते सुबेज जाल्ले आहा. आमकां पयलेच काय पावना जोडटा तेतून हे आनी बर्डन आमचेर हाडनाकात. आमचेर अशी पाळी हाडनाकात की आमी आत्महत्या करपाक प्रवृत्त जावपाक.
I am sympathetic towards this subject. I did not go into details of it earlier. पण म्हाका दिसता जो निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा शासनान तेचो रिव्ह्यू जावंक जाय हें म्हाका दिसता आनी रिव्ह्यू करतले. जे खातें दुसरो सांबाळटा ताचे कडल्यान आयिल्लो प्रपोजल आय डू नॉट डिक्लायन एज फार एज पॉसिबल. आनी त्या मुळे हांवें तेचेर सायन मारल्या ही गजाल खरी आसा. पूण एखाद्री सायन मारल्या आनी आज म्हाका तेची सिरियस लक्षांत आयली जाल्यार आय वील कॉल हिम आनी बाबा हें अशें जावचें ना हें हांव सांगतलो न्ही. म्हणजे एखाद्री एप्रूव केल्ली गजाल परत विड्रॉ करूंक मेळना अशें आसा तर.
He has signed on the file, but he will review his decision on that because since the file came from the Department of Transport and from the Minister of Transport to him, he as a Chief Minister signed on it. But now he has recalled the file. Today evening he is getting the file over here. By 7:30 he said the director will come. He will look into that the entire case, speak to the minister and review करता सांगला ती same decision.
संबंध हातूंत इल्लिगल आनी हे जर चलता ते पळयत जाल्यार काही प्रमाणात जर जितल्यो जाय ताचो म्हणजे एक्चुअल कितल्यो जाय हो सगळो आंकडो काडून ताचेर सुतोवाच केल्लो बरो. टोटल जे ट्युरिस्ट येता किंवा एका वर्साक कितल्यो ट्युरिस्ट ह्यो गाडी वापरता हो सगळो जो सारासार विचार केल्या नंतरच हाचेर डिसिजन घेवचें पडटलें आनी तें डिसिजन मुख्यमंत्री घेतलो.
The Central Committee deputed by the Union Ministry for Sports on Monday carried out inspections of various venues proposed to host next year's National Games. Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director Sandeep Jekis has claimed that the committee is satisfied with SAG's planning. After the inspection comes to an end on Tuesday, SAG will submit a proposal of funds of over 200 crores to the centre. Goa cannot be sure of getting that proposed amount but can at least hope that it gets substantial financial help to execute infrastructure work in time for the game schedule for November 2016.
The day started with the Central Committee accompanied by the Sports Authority of Goa and Directorate of Sports officials visiting Poingini in Kankon Taluka.
बेसिकली आमची एक सेंट्रल टीम आयिल्ली आसा दिल्लीच्यान. आमी एक प्रपोजल दिल्लो हा दिल्ली की आमकां फंड करचें म्हण फॉर द नॅशनल गेम्स. सो इन दॅट कनेक्शन ही सेंट्रल टीम आयिल्ली हा विजीट करपाक की सगळे वेन्यूज पळोवपाक. आतां एज फार एज काणकोण इज कन्सर्न आमी हांगा पैंगीण 3 डिसिप्लीन करपाक सोदता. एक इंडो हॉल जे तिचो रेसलिंग आनी वेट लिफ्टिंग जातलें आनी ओपन ग्राउंडाचेर आर्चरी. So in this connection we have prepared our proposal and the central team has inspected and they are very happy with the venue whatever we have selected.
Sophisticated sports complex at Pede in Mapsa is a very important venue for the national games as it will cater to a long pending demand from Goan hockey lovers.
Shown is 24 crore. Yes. So what I was saying is hockey turf playing will cost you hardly 6 crore.
6 to 7.
Okay.
6 to 7 of the
6
turf.
crore. Yes. So you are spending 18 crore rupees on seating arrangements and change rooms, etc.
Lighting
Yes.
with lighting.
No, with lighting it should be 7 crore.
No. This is a central team which has visited our Peding complex and we have proposed to set up a hockey astroturf with allied facilities and also upgrade the existing facilities over here for the national games. By and large, they are satisfied with whatever plans we have made for Mapsa Pede.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.